Let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated.
What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American.
All right, today we've got a typical case of a sovereign citizen in court who refuses to pay his rent. This guy is following the usual sovereign citizen script, but honestly, he can barely even get through it, so we know this is going to be interesting. How do you go to court, refuse to pay, and act like you're above the law? Does he think the judge will just let him go because he calls himself a sovereign citizen? Spoiler, that's not how it works. Stick around until the end, because the judge is about to make him face the consequences. Let's watch this guy try to make his case.
Hello, this is Mr. Raleigh. I'm here on the matter. I couldn't hear.
All right, Mr. Raleigh, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, my honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral Mr. Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase, Moorish pedigree. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am, all rights preserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 77869, March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD. MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA 209316, March 31st, 1952 AD. MC 1327. Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography. Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Council Courts General Information. And certificate registration number AA 222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt affirming relationship of the relation.
Wow, this guy's actually reading pretty well. I didn't expect that from him, honestly. Props to him for getting through it. Reading is usually tough for sovereign citizens, and this might be one of the best readers I've seen. But seriously, the way he's talking, it sounds like he's reading some kind of weird poem he wrote to his mom about affirming relationships. What does that even mean? I bet he got this script from Reddit or YouTube or something, because there's no way he came up with this himself. He's just rambling about nonsense, and it's kind of giving me a headache. The stuttering and confusion make it worse. It feels like his brain is barely hanging on while he tries to get through this script. What do you think? Do you think he's pretending to be clueless, or is he really this lost? Let me know.
Relationship properly venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did they say about the Christian nations? What you just said about, this only apply to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I was listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Riley.
Okay.
And Ms. Haddad, are you requesting legal counsel?
No.
I don't know, but this sovereign citizen definitely gives off the vibe of someone who'd fart and then try to smell it like he likes it. You know the type. Back in school, he'd find a piece of gum under the desk, and instead of throwing it away, he'd be like, "Hey, free food." And now, here he is in court, not paying rent and acting like he's some legal expert. Honestly, I can't get enough of how the judge is just calmly messing with him, waiting to catch him in all his nonsense. It's like watching a cat play with a mouse before it pounces. Let's dive back in and watch this guy get totally torn apart.
On case number 2334559. This is Harriet Tubman Apartments versus Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I want to prompt you to.
A minute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh. Hello?
All right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra. Is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46. Okay. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Riley, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right. If you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event you don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back to court. So good luck. Wish you well.
There's no way this sovereign citizen is actually paying that much if he thinks he's exempt from paying $500 a month in rent. If he can't handle paying that, how is he supposed to pay $700? Especially when he can't even understand basic court rules. What's odd, though, is that he actually took the verdict at the end. Most of these guys would start yelling at the judge or going off, but this dude just sat there like it didn't even bother him. Maybe he used up all his brain power reading a few lines from his script and just didn't have the energy to argue. It's kind of funny to think these guys believe they can dodge the law by reading some random legal jargon they found online. But in the end, the court knows exactly how to handle them, and he learned that the hard way. What did you guys think about this hearing? I thought it was really weird how he just accepted it at the end. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll try to find a follow-up if he didn't pay. I'm guessing he didn't, but stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Take care, everyone.